Hi people, good day to you all from me. I'm your personal friend M&S Beauty Concept Empire, M&S Party Event Planner and Deco. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the order I ordered from Amazon. This book is a book. I got to know about this book through a friend, a sister, and the writer or the publisher is from a known person, a brother, a friend, a uncle. He's based in Ireland. This book is very good. You can use it as a gift. The good thing about this book is it's useful for the young, for the old. You can also use it as a therapy, like to train memory training or coordination training and all of that. Now is gifting season. It's very good. You can also use it as a gift for your loved ones. And yeah, before I talk too much, let me open it so that you all can see what I'm talking about. Another good thing about this is free postage when you order from the Amazon. So I'll be putting the link below this video so that you can order it and you'll thank me later. So this I ordered on Tuesday and today is Thursday. It's already here. Even when you are not at home, I received the post in my letterbox. You see the size, they can easily put in your letterbox. So let me open. And now this, I've ordered one before for my daughter. She's very good at it, so it's open. So I'm trying to cover this side because of this one. So this is the book. It's only the book inside. So is a title Christmas Word Sash. And the good thing, if you have eye problem, you see, it's very easy to read. You see how big it is? Yeah, it's a very good one. When you have a child that is having problem in concentration, this book. When you add elderly person who want to improve in the memory training, is also the right book. So I'm so happy I got mine, and I would like you to get yours too. You can order it, you can give it as a birthday gift, Christmas gift, Easter gift, as wedding gifts, baby, but anything is very, very useful. I'm so happy with mine, and is also a Biblical, lots of Bible words inside. And go order yours. You thank me later. I'm happy I got mine. Thank you so much for the reference. Someone that told me about this book, and I have mine now. Thank you so much. Go get yours. Thank you. And another thing, this is just awareness video. It's not a pay video. It's not a pay advertisement video. I just share my buy with you all. Thank you, and see you in my next video. I remain your humble girl, Mengi, M&S Beauty Concept Empire, M&S Party Event Planner and Deco. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye.